Hi, this is Maria with the Customer Factor, and today I'll be showing you how to use our estimate filter function. This feature makes it super easy to filter and view estimates based on status, helping you stay organized and find exactly what you need. Let's get started. Navigate to a customer or prospect profile, then go to the Estimates tab. Here you'll see a section labeled View Estimates by Status with the drop-down menu to the right. By default, the drop-down is set to all statuses, but you can change this to another status. Simply click the Set Default link. A small pop-up window will appear, allowing you to choose your preferred estimate status. This default setting will then apply across all the estimates in the Estimates section in your account. For example, I'm selecting Open and Pending Estimates because I want to see only estimates I can follow up with. Once you've selected your preferred status, click Save. So now if I go to another customer, let's say Charlotte Massey, and navigate to the Estimates tab, I will first see all open and pending estimates, just as I set it in my default preferences. But what if I want to check a different estimate status, like Charlotte's accepted estimates? Simply select Accepted Estimates, and you'll see all accepted estimates. Keep in mind that this doesn't change your default settings. It just switches your view for the moment. If I go to another customer, I'll still see my default view of open and pending estimates as I originally set. And that's it. With the estimate filter function, you can easily customize your view and quickly find the estimates that you need. Give it a try and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.